Good evening, ma'am.
Hello, good evening, everyone. How are you?
Fine, ma'am.
Fine, thank you, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
ma'am.
Okay, I am very sorry. This was a new account and I was not able to log in here. So there was a technical glitch that because of which we were not able to join. But no worries. Good evening. Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, ma'am.
Wow, absolutely happy to see most of you back here. Good evening, everyone. Very, very good evening.
Good evening.
All right. So we have this as our first session today. So we'll have a very tiny, small introduction of each other. Okay. Good evening. And what we'll do is we'll go in an alphabetical order. So you people can actually do one thing. Keep yourself muted. And when I call your name, you can unmute and start giving a small introduction. Like, obviously, we all know your grade. So you can only tell me which city you're from. And that would be enough, right? A very small 5-second intro. Okay. I'll also rename myself because you can't see my name except for Olympiad Success. So my name is Priyasha Das. We all will introduce ourselves real quick. Okay. So we'll start with the first one as Bhumik. Oh, no. Thank you for adding, but no prefixes. Okay. Let's start with why is Bhumik coming before Adya? Because you're not muted. All right, guys. So we'll go one by one and I'll be muting you people. You people will unmute yourself only when I call you. Okay. Done. Adya, let's start with you. Quickly.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Adya. Small, tiny introduction. Where are you from?
I'm from Lagos, Nigeria.
Oh, great. What's the time there now?
3:36.
That's great. All right. Thank you for the introduction, Adya. We'll move next to Aradhya. Let's go.
Hi, ma'am. Good evening. I am Aradhya Manoharan, and I am from Dubai, UAE, and I study in GEMS Auron English High School.
Great. Thank you so much, Aradhya. The way time I can guess 1.5 hours back. So thanks, Aradhya. We have two Aradhyas or one Aradhya in the session? Two.
Ma'am, two Aradhyas.
Oh, yeah. So we'll go one. So Manoharan is whom I heard right now, correct? So we'll go to
Yes,
the
ma'am.
other Aradhya. Let's go.
My name is Aradhya. I'm from Kalpi, UP.
Okay, thank you, Aradhya. So there's Aradhya 1 and Aradhya 2. So we'll call Aradhya M to 1 and just Aradhya for Aradhya. Next is Aditi. Let's go, Aditi.
My name is Aditi Dash, and I'm from Bengaluru.
Okay, thank you, Aditi. And same pinch for the title, just a net difference. Okay, Arnav, we'll go to you now.
Good evening, ma'am. My name is Arnav Pariyar. I am from Ahmedabad, Gujarat.
Thank you so much for the introduction, Arnav. Nice to see you. Okay, Aradhya M, I can't see you, so you can turn on your video. And next, we'll move to Bhumik.
Hi, ma'am. I am from India,
Where in India?
Gujarat.
Okay, nice. Many people from Gujarat now. Bhumik, I can't see you. Please turn on your video. Next, we'll go to another Bhumik. Here also we have a difference. Bhumik and Bhumik Motiani. So we'll go to Bhumik Motiani. Let's go. Bhumik, demo boss from the same background. Okay, but is that the same? Like you have another account logged in or what? Because this.
Yes.
Oh yes. Okay,
In
fine. So
laptop.
okay, so you can switch to that and skip this one, or if they both have to be together, let me
Okay.
know. Devashri. We'll go to Devashri.
My name is Devashri and I'm from Germany.
Oh, nice. So Germany is like ahead of us. So what's the time there?
4 o'clock 39 minutes.
Okay, so it's behind. All right. Okay, thank you, Devashri. Next, we'll move to okay. Someone is named as Galaxy Z. So I need to ask you your name. I'll rename you.
Ma'am, my name is Anvita and I'm from Hyderabad in India.
Okay. So thank you for your introduction, Anvita. And Anvita, 1 second. Just confirming your spelling. It's ANW.
ITHA.
ITHA. Thank you. I just renamed you. And then there's another kid whose name is this THIS. I'll send you an unmute request. Unmute yourself. Yeah, what's your name?
Ma'am, Naman.
Okay, Naman, where are you from?
Ma'am, I am from Bellary.
Oh, nice. Okay, thank you for the introduction, Naman. Next, we will move to Hanifa. Hi, Hanifa, how are you?
Fine, ma'am. My name is Hanifa Afrin and I'm from Andhra Pradesh, India.
Okay, thank you so much for the intro, Hanifa. Next, we'll move to Harshvardhan. Hey, hi, Harsh.
Ma'am, I'm Advika.
Hi, Advika, how are you? Welcome back.
Ma'am, I'm so excited to be in your class.
No, so sweet of you. Rename yourself. We'll come back to you very, very soon. Already know where are you from, so I'll skip that. Ibrahim, let's go to you.
Ma'am, I am from India, Pune.
Oh, nice, Ibrahim. Nice to know that. Thank you for the intro. We'll go to Janvi now. Janvi?
Good evening, ma'am. I am Janvi Aran. I am from Chennai, Tamil Nadu.
Thank you, Janvi, for the intro. Then let's go to Jia. Hey, Jia. I can't see you.
Yeah.
Yeah, now I can. Where are you from, Jia?
Ma'am, I'm living in Hyderabad.
Great. Thank you so much for the intro, Jia. Let's now move to Kashmir.
Ma'am, good evening, ma'am. My name is Kashmir. I'm from Jharkhand, India.
Oh, where exactly in Jharkhand?
Ma'am, in Ranchi type somewhere.
Oh, okay, in Ranchi. Okay, I'm from Jamshedpur. That's why I asked you. Quite close to you. So next, I'll move to Manashri. Thank you for your introduction, Kashmir. Let's go to Manashri.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi,
My
Manashri.
name is Manashri. I am from Gujarat,
Manashri.
India.
Thank you, Manashri. Another Gujarati. Nice. Mishika, let's move to you
Ma'am,
now.
actually,
Yeah, Manashri, you were
I
saying
am
something.
my caste is from UP.
Oh, so you live in Gujarat. Okay, fine. Next. Thank you, thank you. Next, we'll go to whom did I call in? I forgot. Such a bad memory. I think I called in Mishika, right? Hey, Mishika, I can't hear you. I can see you are unmuted though. Something wrong with the mic?
Ma'am, I live in Delhi and I study in Balbhati Public School.
Oh, oh, now I saw you when I recognized you. Okay, fine. What happened, Advika? Not able to unmute? Oh, sorry, not able to rename.
Yes, ma'am. Can you rename?
There we go. I think the spelling is right, or it should be V.
AADV
Oh, double A. Advika.
and
Okay.
V and V.
Okay, type it in the chat box. I'll copy paste that. And next is next. That's a long list today, huh? But first class, what to do? We have to do that. Manvik, we'll go to you. I missed you, I think, in the middle somewhere.
My name is Manvik Sharma. I'm from Faridabad, India.
Wow, very nice. Thank you, Manvik. Thank you for the introduction. Nanika, next to you.
Hi, ma'am. I'm Nanika and I'm from Kerala, Calcutta.
Thank you, Nanika, and welcome back, Nanika. I remember you from the reasoning classes. Then, my next student here is Naman. Hi, Naman. Oh, Naman, we already had an intro. Parth. Let's go to Parth.
My name is Parth Sharma and I am from Delhi, India.
Wow, thank you for the intro, Parth. Thank you so much. Then we have another Parth. This Parth is Parth
Padua.
Padwal. Okay, so where are you from, Parth?
Ma'am, Maharashtra, Usmanabad.
Very nice. Then we have a PS and a PP in the class.
Yes.
Okay, fine. Advika, thank you for the spelling. I'll just copy paste that. We'll next move to Reyanshi. Hi, Reyanshi.
Hi, my name is Riyanshi and I'm from Delhi.
Okay, thank you, Reanshi, for the intro. Let's move next. We have Samriddhi. Two Samriddhis now. Only Samriddhi and Samriddhi Srivastav. So we'll go with only Samriddhi first.
My name is Samriddhi Singh and I'm from Bangalore, India.
Thank you, Samriddhi. Your camera is way above you, right? Okay. All right. Thank you, Samriddhi, for the intro. And we'll now move to Samriddhi Srivastava.
Hi ma'am, I'm Samriddhi Srivastav. I'm from Mumbai, Maharashtra.
Thank you. Now we'll move next to Sanika.
My name is Sanika. I'm from Hyderabad.
Hyderabad. Thank you so much, Sanika. Next, Shanaya.
Hello, ma'am. I'm Shanaya Bakshi and I'm from Gurgaon.
Okay. Thank you for the intro, Shanaya. That was nice. Shivani, next to you.
I'm Shivani and I'm from Kerala, India.
Thanks, Shivani. Let's move next to Shravani.
Hi, my name is Shravani and I'm from Denmark.
Wow. What's the time there, Shravani?
The time is, I think it's 4 o'clock now.
Good for you. Not late enough. All right. Thanks, Shravani. The next person we'll move to is Shrihan.
Hi, ma'am. I live in Abu Dhabi. All
Okay,
done.
1.5 hours back. Wow. All right. Thank you, Shrihan. Next person is Tanisha.
Ma'am, my name is Tanisha Singhal and I study in Malbharti Public School. I'm from
And
Delhi.
welcome back. Okay. Next, we're going to Yash. That's the last one. Why?
Yeah, I'm from Germany.
And welcome back, Yash. All right. So a couple of welcome backs here. And now let's get started. So my old students already know this, but it's for everyone now here. Since we are a big batch, so we need to follow some few things as a part of the classroom. Number one would be that, see, I know you guys are grown up, so I would not keep you muted. Not fix you to mute. I will keep you unmuted only. But I just expect that you people keep yourself muted only when there's a problem or something, and I feel that someone is getting unmuted by mistake or something. Only then I'll mute everyone so that the class doesn't get disrupted. Every single time you feel like you did not understand something, wait for me to complete the sentence and just use the raise hand button of Zoom. So there are two ways to raise hand, right? In Zoom, you can either, if your gestures are on, so you can keep your hand raised up like this and it will automatically in 5 to 10 seconds raise your hand like this. Otherwise, there's also a way to raise your other hand. Yeah, just like you guys are doing right now. The other way to raise your hand is that you go to the reactions tab and just click on raise hand. What happens, this is better rather than just raising hand in the video?
Tab. I can't see the
It's
reaction
under
tab
react.
over here.
You see a heart button at the bottom. That's the react button. If you do that, you will get the raise hand option. It's written raise hand at the bottom. There are three options: send with effect, reactions, and then below that is raise hand. So if you do that, what happens? A pop-up comes and I can listen to that as well as see someone raising hand. So it becomes real quick for me. I'll stop and I'll quickly take your doubt. Okay. That's one thing. Second thing is, do not copy the questions in the classroom. The classroom questions can be referred back easily using the reading material as well as the class recordings later. So everyone will be having the access of the class recording, irrespective of whether you miss the class or you don't. Suppose if you were there in the class, but you want to visit the topic again, anytime you can go back to the recordings and see that again. So do not use your time to write down the questions again. Only utilize the time to do and solve the questions so that we can do more questions in the classroom, right? The more questions we do, the better practice we can. Yes, all your answers would be coming in the chat box. Okay. So, and when I show a question or when I ask a question, you're supposed to answer this in the chat box. Okay. And I have closed the chat box to myself, so no one else can see your answers. Only ma'am will see your answers. Okay. And then we will discuss the answers on the screen. You match your answers with me, and if it's not matching or you did not understand, then we can discuss it. Clear to all? Okay. So, okay,
Yes,
a good guess. A good guess. What do you think will be the first chapter of ours today? Of course,
Number
every
seven.
single grade.
Numbers.
Yeah, every
Numbers.
single grade.
Numbers.
Numbers,
Numbers.
absolutely.
Numbers.
Maths without numbers is nothing. Okay,
Numbers
so
and-
we have to go with numbers only. We'll start with numbers. Number sense first chapter will be pretty simple, so nothing to worry about that. Again, as I said, I am not muting you people, so that doesn't mean that everyone starts speaking together. Uh, Please don't answer directly also. Again, very small request from my side because everyone is solving it now. So if I start seeing that someone in excitement starts answering, then I'll have to mute you people. Okay, so don't do that. All right, we saw some. Oh, Mishika wrote it in the chat box, number system. Correct. So we'll get started with number system, everyone. And of course, since it's the beginning, it has to be easy. But yeah, make sure that you people do it with full heart so that in case you didn't get something, you don't understand something, you can ask me. Okay. So, firstly, see, I'll tell you the real crux of numbers or number systems. So, you would be seeing that when you started your maths journey, they directly gave you the numbers. Then later on, when your grades increased, they moved you to word problems. Then they made the word problems more and more complex and they went out like that. Correct? The problem is actually this only. So in real life also, you don't really get direct questions. You get word problems. Like you went to a shop, you purchased something, and then you purchase your bill is like $81 and you gave $100 note. So how much will you get back? This is nothing but a word problem. To which, how do we solve it? How do we solve it? We actually solve it by converting the words into numbers. So remember that the entire game is around conversion. Okay. All right. Let's see what are we covering for today. And yeah, one more quick thing, guys. I will be we will be having a break for 5 minutes in the middle of the class. There is no hard and fast time to take a break. So we will take it when we have completed a considerable bit of our syllabus. Okay. So let's get started. Thank you for the answer, Manvik, in the chat. So the first thing we'll be covering today in the first part of number system has to be the definition and the differences of these three things, that is natural numbers, whole numbers, and integers. The next thing is very similar. You have already done that. So we will do some interesting questions directly on successor and predecessor. What is the difference between place value? What is the difference between face value? How to use this in the question? That is also something we'll learn. And this is not fixed. I mean, I have kept it flexible, guys. If we have time enough, we'll do rounding, or otherwise we'll do it in the next class. It's not fixed. Okay. So let's start with natural numbers, whole numbers, and integers. I'll speak, then I'll ask you people questions. Okay. So the story says that natural numbers, Advika, doubt or what? I said I'll speak and I don't need answers. Doubt? No doubt, then and raise your hand. Raising hand is only for asking questions, not for answering. No, Jia, I know that. If I ask everyone to explain this, then imagine 34 people.
What is chocolate problems?
Oh, yeah, that question can be answered. So, chocolate problems are the previous year question papers or some questions which you can actually expect in this year's paper as well in the exams are chocolate questions. So, basically, the exam level questions, direct exam paper questions are coming under chocolate questions.
Okay, ma'am.
And you will not get any real chocolate for that. But yeah, you can keep a count of the number of chocolate questions you did correct at the end of the session, not today's session, the full 50 sessions or 45 sessions we are having. At the end of those sessions, we can probably discuss that how many chocolate questions were answered correctly by every student. Yes, Arnav, let's go. Ask.
Ma'am,
Mm.
I didn't remember the successor and predecessor.
No problem. We will learn that. This is future topics to be covered. Advika, say.
Ma'am, will we play games like at the end, like how we did last time?
Yeah. But today I cannot guarantee that, Advika, because see, today we already have invested 15 minutes in introduction, right? So today I
Yes,
cannot promise a game, but yeah, in every class we have this kind of not every, but yeah, either every or one after the other, alternate classes. We'll surely have games to be played at the end of the session, guys. So do not worry about that. Okay. But for today, since we have actually used some time in the introduction part, I cannot really confirm the game. Okay. All right. And also at the end of the class, I have to again show you people how you people can access your homework. Many of you are new to Olympiad Success. So I have to show this to everyone, right? So that's why today we can skip the game, but don't worry, we will do it on Friday. Okay. All right. Natural numbers, whole numbers, and integers story. So if we talk about natural numbers, guys, pay attention. Natural numbers is which starts with a 1 and to infinity. All the numbers starting from 1 ending up to infinity. But there is a catch. The catch is what is not included. Okay, everyone has taken a flight, right? All of you have taken a flight once in your life. Yep. Thumbs up. Yeah. So, since all of you have taken a flight, do you remember that they all have
Ma'am,
a
I
big?
haven't taken
Oh,
a
you haven't, Manvik. Then in some of the in schools also you have a poster written that what all things are not allowed to be brought to school. Okay, some kind of warning messages, Manvik. So this warning message is that in natural numbers also everything is okay from 1 to infinity, but there infinity means no limit. Okay, so something which is not included, like number 1, no negative numbers. Now you will say, like, ma'am, negative numbers will anyways not be there. Why? Because we are starting from 1. So there's no point of negative numbers. Similarly, no 0 will be there because, of course, we are starting from 1. Just like that, we also do not include fractions, and you know that fractions can be converted back to decimals, right? So we also do not include decimals. So what all is not included in natural numbers? No 0, no negative numbers, no fractions, no decimals. Correct? Okay. Based on this information that I gave you, just write it in the chat box. No unmuting. Will 55 be called as a natural number? Yes or no? Y or N? Just type it in the chat box, guys. I need 33 messages, one from each. Anvita, only in the chat box. If you have a doubt, then ask.
Ma'am, what do you mean by negative numbers?
Negative
they odd
numbers means
numbers?
any number. No. Negative numbers are any numbers which have a minus sign before them, like -7, -2, like that, which has a minus sign before it, Nanvita. Okay? Got it?
Aren't they odd numbers?
No, they are not odd numbers. You have done number line. Number line has a 0 in the middle, Anvita. And every time you move to the right hand side, 1, 2, 3, everything is
Yes.
positive. And when you
Yes,
move on the
ma'am.
left side of 0, you go -1, you go -2, you go
Okay, ma'am.
-3.
I
Like that.
understood. I understood.
So these are negative
Ma'am?
numbers.
Ma'am,
Yes,
can you
Aditi.
repeat the question?
Sorry, can I repeat the question? My question was that is 55 a natural number? Why or no? So you have to type it in the chat box, Aditi. Say Manvik.
Ma'am, if 0.5, I want the fourth question, 0.5, will it be a
Mhm.
natural number or a negative number? Because if you convert 0.5, it is
Both
I
reasons to
only.
eliminate it. Yeah. So Manvik, everyone, point number 5, that is 0.5 negative, has 2 reasons to get eliminated, not just one. 2 reasons why we will say no, ma'am, no, it's not a natural number. Why? Because it's negative also, decimal also. Got it, Manvik?
Ma'am, but what about the fourth one? It is 0.5, which is equal to 5.
What did I write here? Not included, Manvik. So in not included, we have decimals also. So decimals not included. So no natural number. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you. Go ahead, Samriddhi.
Miss, what is the meaning of the third one? I didn't understand the third one.
5 divided by 7. So this sign means division, Samriddhi.
Okay.
Okay. So since it's a fraction, yes or no? Of course, no. Because ma'am has written it at the left side. Minus 47. Let's ask this randomly to Shanaya. Shanaya, you say. Minus 47.
No, ma'am.
No, because it's a
Minus.
negative number. Minus. Correct. Now we'll go to Parth Padwal. PP. You tell me about the last one. 6.
Ma'am, no.
No. Why?
It,
Because
0 is a whole number.
absolutely. Everyone is clear till here. This page, no problem. No problem. Thumbs up. Okay.
Yes.
Now look at it. This is a funny story now. A funny story coming on your screen. So the funny story is that natural numbers included everything from 1 to infinity, but not included was this. Listening to this, of course, someone started crying at the corner, and that someone was 0. 0 started crying at the corner. You guys are too mean. You guys are not including me. At least include me. Give me a different name. So everyone thought that, okay, since it's crying so hard, let's give it a new name. So they included all natural numbers along with 0 and called it as whole numbers. So whole numbers is nothing but natural numbers. You can write it down. Whole numbers is equals to all natural numbers plus 0. So an additional 0 with all the natural numbers is called as whole numbers. Simple. Okay. Now that means in the case of whole numbers, we will remove 0 from not included. Now everything works except negative numbers, fractions and decimals. Say, Sanika.
So, ma'am, in the natural numbers, the negative numbers are not counted, right?
Yeah, even in the whole numbers also they are not counted. Okay, I have changed the question, guys. So you all can tell me in the chat box which of the following 2 numbers qualify as whole numbers out of 6 here in the chat box. And if you have a doubt, you can ask. Arnav, say.
Ma'am, by mistakenly
Ma'am.
cut the call. Can you explain me?
Ma'am, I
what's-
didn't.
Jay, I'll do that. But for that, you have to raise your hand, okay? Say, Arnav.
Ma'am, I didn't understand the whole number.
So whole numbers is all the natural numbers in their place, Arnav. And as I said that 0 was Ajay, this is for you also. Pay attention. So in natural numbers, we did not include 0. But now 0 was crying in the corner very heavily. So just to include 0, they included it with a new name. So all the natural numbers plus 0 also included in it is now called as
Whole number.
whole numbers. Exactly. Okay. Fine. Jia understood? Thank you, Arnav.
What is the question exactly?
The question was, which of these following 6 numbers? You see 6 numbers on your screen, 55 to 0. Which of these numbers will qualify as whole numbers?
Okay,
You have
ma'am.
to select any 2. Say, Anvita, you were raising your hand.
Ma'am, what do you mean by natural numbers are included in whole numbers? Aren't they separate?
Yeah, no, they are not. So it's like if I give you like one of the answers of this question is 55. So 55 is natural number also, Anvita, and it's whole number also. You can call it anything, both also.
Okay.
Okay? Say Naman. Say Naman. Unmute.
The answer is 55 and 0.
Oh my God, you're not supposed to say the answer by raising hand. Only if you have a doubt, Naman. Say the answers in the chat box. Next time anyone does it, I'll mute everyone. Say Aradhya.
Ma'am,
Aradhya?
my question is inquiry.
Sorry, say that again.
I couldn't hear the question.
Okay, the question is on your screen, Aradhya. The question was that which of the two numbers are whole numbers out of the 6 numbers here? So based on the definition, 55 and 0. These all will go wrong because this is negative, this is fraction, this is decimal, and this is both decimal and negative. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Works for it, everyone? Okay, the last thing. The last thing is looking at 0. Even the negative numbers started crying heavily. They were like, why not us? What have we done? Why are you guys not including us? So negative numbers started crying at the corner, and then came a new set of numbers which is called as integers. What are integers? Integers are, you can write it down just like I wrote it the last time. So I'll write the new things. Integer numbers, nothing is called integer numbers. You can just write integers. So integers is equals to all whole numbers plus negative numbers. So when you include the whole numbers plus negative numbers, you get the entire list as integers. I'll just show you how. Look at this. I just changed the slide. Now that we also include the integers, the negative numbers is out. Now the only two things which are not included in integers is fractions and decimals. Is that okay, everyone? So now give me the answer in the chat box, please. Give me the answer in the chat box. Which 3 numbers qualify? Which 3 numbers qualify? Ibrahim has given me the answer. Samriddhi, only one answer. All the numbers together, please. Hanish, don't give
And
the
what is the
answer.
question? What is the
Question is
question?
on your screen. Which of the following numbers are integers? Select the numbers out of the 6 options. Kashmir gave me the answer. Mishika gave me the answer. Naman gave me the answer. Manvik, Ibrahim, Shnaya, Adya. Adya Chawla did not give me her introduction. Adya, where are you from?
Ma'am, I am from Lagos, Nigeria.
Oh, you gave me the introduction. Sorry. Okay, fine. I'll go to next. Janvi gave the answer. Part Shivani gave the answer. Okay. Tanisha gave the answer. Shrihan, Arnav, Jia, Sanya, Aditi, Devashri, Aradhya, Nanika, Manasvi, Sanika, Shravani. 1 second, Anvita, coming to you. Samriddhi, Hanish. Hanish, there are 3 numbers. Find them out. Hanish, did I ask your introduction? Where are you from? Yash, Parth, Preyanshi.
Going to home right now, so it might be a little like hard for
Oh,
me to do.
breaking up. Okay, okay, fine. Anvita, say.
Ma'am, I didn't understand the integer numbers.
Let's do it with the right answer of this question, okay? So integers are all the whole numbers with negative numbers. So what was the condition of whole numbers? That everything is okay. All the natural numbers are okay, like 1 to infinity along with 0. So that's basically 0 to infinity, right? But then integers are like you also include negative numbers in that. That means now the
That
range
whole
is,
negative numbers.
yes, whole negative numbers. Correct. That is no fractions, no decimals, but all the negative numbers and zeros are okay with integers. So 55 is okay, Anvita? Yes, because it's positive whole number. Negative 47 is also okay. Correct. But what
Yes,
is the
ma'am.
problem with minus 5 by 7? Fraction. Fraction is the problem.
Ma'am,
0.5.
how is 55 an integer whole number? It's not minus.
So integers is negative plus whole numbers. Like all the whole, see my diagram. All the whole numbers with negative numbers also, Anvita.
We will mix all the whole numbers with negative
Yes.
numbers.
Yes, mix them.
So
Everything.
it means that whole numbers and also negative numbers with the whole.
Correct.
Okay, ma'am.
Jia, go ahead.
Can I write as the meaning for integers like all whole numbers plus negative numbers plus natural numbers?
All whole numbers already has natural numbers in it, remember? So shortcut.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Anvita, you were saying something. I heard your mama or someone around you. Any questions or doubts? You can ask me. No? Okay. Fine. So everyone, so the right answer is 1, 2, and 6. That is 55 minus 47 and 0. And most of you were right here. Any doubts still here? Yes, no, maybe. Maybe is not an option. That was just a way of saying. Okay, fine then. With this, since you people have done this so far so good, I have 5 quick questions after which we will take a break. Okay? So 5 quick questions on your screen, everyone. They are like so-called tricky questions. So-called, not really very tricky. This is just to make you feel like, oh my God, tricky. But in reality, they are easy. And guys, turn on your videos, okay? The next time I see you talking without your videos on, I'll speak in a different language then. You'll not understand. Aradhya Ibrahim Bhumik, no video. Shrihan, no video.
Ma'am, should we write these answers in our
Chat
the-
box. Please chat
Okay.
box. Yes, yeah. You can give the answers one by one. I don't mind. That's fine. Counting. Okay. There's a trick. I mean, there's a hint. We never start the counting from 0. So that was the hint. I did not give you any answers. Okay, Anvita has turned on her video. Thank you, Anvita.
And for
Yes,
which
Anish.
question that hint was? I don't even understand.
First question, Manvik.
Ma'am,
See, Anish?
I just reached home. I didn't have the internet for a few seconds. Did you
Yeah.
ask any questions?
Yeah, these are 5 new questions on your screen, Hanish, based on the definitions of natural numbers, whole numbers, and integers. So if you already know it, give it a try. We'll discuss it. Thank you. I'll give you 1 more minute and then we'll start discussing all the answers. And I'm very proud of all of you. You have started answering the questions. Very nice. People, please write the question number also. You wrote it for the first one and then forgot to write the question numbers for the second and the third one. Okay, good. It's okay if you have missed it for few of them. Keep it in mind for the coming ones. Thank you, Aditi, for writing all of them in a single message. That was so relieving and easy to read. Parth has also given me all the answers in one single message. Parth Padwal. Thank you, PP. All right. 30 seconds more. Let's be quick, fast.
Excuse me, ma'am, is my answer correct?
No, that I can't say. That you'll have to check with me when I do it on the screen, okay? I'm reading through the answers though, so don't worry. Okay, 10, 9, 8, 7,
Ma'am, I'm
6.
not finished yet.
Manvik, don't worry. It's okay.
Ma'am, did you get my answers?
Yeah, Jia, don't worry. Don't confirm it like that. It's completely fine. Okay. Fine then. The people who have not done all the questions, no problem. You still have time. Type it in the chat box. Okay. I am just starting with the first question. Say Adya.
Ma'am, I did not understand question number 2.
No problem. We'll discuss it in the class. Okay. Now. Okay, everyone. So if you don't understand any question, no problem. All the 5 questions will be discussed by Priyasha ma'am. Okay. So look at this screen now.
Ma'am, when you
Counting.
send all the answers, please check them.
It is fine, Manvik. I'm giving out the answers on the screen so you can check it yourself. And if something doesn't match, you can ask. Okay. So as I said, the trick, we never start the counting from 0. That means we start the counting from 1. Like for example, right now there are 35 of us. And when we start counting, we start with Priyasha ma'am 1, Manvik 2, Jia 3, Adya 4, like that. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, not 0, 1, 2, 3. So that means we start with a 1 and numbers starting with 1 are natural numbers. That's true. So first answer would be natural numbers. Okay. Everyone okay with that? Any doubts in this? You can ask me. I saw some whole numbers in the chat box. So I think I cleared your doubt on this. Yep. Okay. The second one is the smallest 6-digit number which you can make with this. Say Arnav. Don't give the answer.
Ma'am, I didn't understand the first question.
First question is saying that you have to start counting with this number. So do you start counting with negative numbers or with zeros? No. Negative numbers are integers if you start with them, and 0 if you start with 0, it's a whole number. That means out of the 3 numbers we learned in the class now, natural numbers is the only answer possible now. Okay. Thank you, Arnav. Parth Sharma, go ahead.
Ma'am, can we write positive numbers in the place of natural numbers? Will it be correct?
Any numbers, right? So it's not wrong. We can say that the numbers which we use for counting are positive numbers. But see, when we say natural numbers, it comes in the correct frame of it. Correct frame means what? The 3 types of numbers are integers, natural numbers, and whole numbers. So that's why I expected it. Positive numbers are also correct part. Okay, Nanika, let's go.
And I have a doubt, like I wrote cardinal numbers for the first answer, but like what exactly are cardinal numbers?
You don't have to go with that again. Cardinal numbers can go with a more like broader definition, Nanika. And since you have written it, you need to define that for me. That what do you understand by cardinal numbers that you chose it?
Like cardinal numbers mean like the numbers which are not used for doing the possessions and all.
No, Nanika. The cardinal numbers opposite is ordinal. And cardinal ordinal are like when I say 1, 2, 3, 4, it's cardinal number. But when I say first, second, third, fourth, that is ordinal number. So these are the 2 opposites. So here we would not include cardinal numbers. Cardinal numbers is not wrong, but it's not a type of number, Nanika. That's the problem. Okay. All right, Samriddhi, go ahead.
Miss, I just wanted to explain the second question. Can I?
No, please, Samriddhi, I'm so sorry. In such a big batch, I would not be able to do that because if I say this, then all the 33 other people would be very interested to do that, and it will be very difficult. So I will take your help, but in bigger and difficult questions in the coming classes. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, Samriddhi. Thanks for understanding. Okay, guys, the second question's logic is that we cannot start a 6-digit numbers with zeros. Okay. Oh, this looks like a smiley. I mean, not a smiley exactly, but an emoticon. So we cannot start with zeros to make a 6-digit number. That's the catch. That means we have to look for the second smallest or lowest number. What's the second lowest number after 0 in this? 5. Yeah, 5. So we can go with 5. Say Manvik.
I was going to say 5 and she
Chat
said
box,
5.
sir. Whenever anyone wants to answer, use the chat box freely. I am reading it very carefully. Okay. So what I will do is I will take the second lowest number as 5 and then attach my 2 zeros to it and then go in the ascending order. What numbers are left in the ascending order? 6, 7, 8. So 6, 7, 8. Answer matching? Thumbs up. Any doubts in the second one? No? Okay. Come to the third one. The sum of the whole numbers is always a whole number. It has to be true, guys, because see, if you add the lowest whole numbers also, like 0 plus 0 also, you end up in a 0, and that is a whole number only. You don't get a negative number, and that means it will stay as a whole number itself. So this is true always. Okay. 1 is the smallest whole number is the biggest lie, because the smallest whole number is 0. Okay. So that makes a fourth number as false. And number 5. The whole number 13 lies between 11 and 12. Between? There's no whole number between 11 and 12. 13 lies after 12. You know why is this question made? Come on, I'll give you a small thing. You don't have to, see, this is not just a teacher telling you this. This information is actually from a person who makes Olympiad questions. So I make Olympiad questions also. I just don't teach. So since I make it, this is a part of our training that we have to make such question for the students that kind of confuses or plays with the mind of the students. So imagine someone is very busy, okay, and they are like doing it very fast. So suppose Reyanshi is doing it at a very fast speed and she's doing the questions fast and ticking them or clicking on it on the screen. So if she's really fast, what will happen? It's a human psychology, like a brain thing of ours, that when we see 13, 11, 12, we feel so comfortable. We feel like, yeah, all of them are in a sequence. Dang, that's the place where we sometimes don't read the sentence properly and end up giving the wrong answer. So these type of questions are designed in a way. Suppose if I would have written 15 here, this is a social experiment, by the way. Once the question was made like this, that the whole number 15 lies between 11 and 12. So only 9 people out of 10, like 9 people out of 10 people got it right. Only 1 out of 10 got it wrong. But when we gave this question, that is 13 lies between 11 to 12, 7 got it right and 3 got it wrong. So the number of people who got it wrong are more. So that's why these questions are designed in such a way. Okay. So I'll give you more such things like this when we talk about coming questions. Now we're going for a break. So what is the break? You don't have to leave the class. You have to stay in the same session. Okay. Just you can turn off your camera and mute yourself. Okay. We'll be exactly back in 5 minutes. I'll keep one slide on my screen that is predecessor and successor. So if you people come back from break early, you all can try this and send me the answer in the chat box also. And the time I'm writing is in IST, guys. Okay. So you can check your time accordingly at your place. What's the time? I will be back in 5 minutes. You can check your time in your place and come back in the same time. Okay. Done? And do not leave the class.
And what's IST?
IST is Indian Standard Time because there are many other people from outside India, right? That's the IST. Okay, fine then. See you after 5 minutes. Knock, knock. Came few seconds early. Reason is that it's the first day. No, the reason is not that it's the first day. The reason is that probably if any one of you still there or want to ask something, that's the reason. Okay. So fine. Those who are back from the break can please turn on their videos and read the thing on the screen. So it's easier for all of us to finish this particular screen faster because we have limited time. Remember, after this, we'll have to also do face value and place value, and then at least one chocolate question. Okay, done. And yeah, I have to also dedicate the last 10 minutes to show you how the platform works. How will you get the homework and all? Okay. So let's get started. Everyone, please read it carefully. Those who did not read it during the time of break. And those who read it, start answering the Manvik, no speaking when ma'am is talking. Raise your hand and then speak. So as I was completing my sentence, we are supposed to, what do you say? Do the questions given on the screen. Say, Manvik. Go ahead, Manvik.
Ma'am, I already have three meetings next week. Because of my exams are next month only.
Hmm.
My school started it yesterday, so next week will be test. Plus of the homeworks, there will be a lot. But this homework I don't have much time. Plus, we are going to join swimming classes too this time.
Okay, Manvik, no problem. It's fine. I'm okay. Boss, who is this Harry Potter? Okay, you can't name yourself like this. If I see anyone like this, I'll push you out, Boomik. Okay? No one is allowed to change their names like that. Arnab, go ahead.
Ma'am, I remember the successor and predecessor.
Very good. Then please answer all the questions in the chat box. Fast, 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 fast. Okay, so we'll start with successors and predecessors. I'll only take like 5 seconds. Okay? Oh no, 5 seconds is too less. 1 minute. So successor means +1 and predecessor means -1. So when someone says successor for a very big number like question number 1, 4, 4, 5, 4, 9, 9, forget about everything. Just look at the 9, 9 part. Of course, if you do a +1 over here, it will change the hundreds place also. So do it as 499 plus 1. What do you get? 500. That means the answer of the question is 445, which is the same, and 500, which is the successor of 499. Similarly, predecessor is -1, so it is further more easy for all of you, right? You have to keep everything same except for the last digit. So 9 minus 1, 8. Is that okay? Yep. You have it. Okay, people raising hand like this. Sanya and Tanisha, use the raise hand button. Please don't you do it on the camera. I would not be able to see all the 34 cameras together. So Sanya, go ahead.
Ma'am, in predecessor, should we change the tens place?
It completely depends. So here predecessor is only -1. So tens place will not change when you do 99 minus 1. But tens place can change when the question is like, let's say 90 minus 1. So Samriddhi, no annotations. 90 minus 1 is 89. So here the tens place is also changing. Understood?
Ma'am, also when we change a successor of a big number, what if like it was 445 and then 999?
Yeah, so 999 will change all the nines. Okay, so you understood that, right?
We should change the 5.
Yes, all the nines. See, as you gave the example, 444999. So what will you do? You know that the moment you do a +1 to this, it will change the other digit also. So take the entire thing from here. That is 4,999 will give me a 5,000, ma'am. So I'll keep the rest same and will change this. Okay. Okay, Jia, go ahead. Then we'll go to Manvik.
Ma'am, I didn't understand the third one.
Okay, we are not doing it right now. Manvik,
Ma'am, have you got my answer? I have sent the answers to you.
I have received it. Don't worry. You can check the answers from the screen. Okay, fine. Now there are many people who are very silent and not answering also in the chat box. What's the problem? All thing good? If you don't understand, please ask ma'am. Okay, feel free to do that. Okay. Devashri, we will go with you for the third question. I don't want you to solve the full question. Just tell me what is the successor of 99?
100.
100. And what is the predecessor of 108?
107.
And thank you. Because after this, ma'am will solve it. Otherwise, we'll have to give the credits to Devashri. So the sum of these two numbers has to be 100 plus 107. And that ends up in 207. Jia, is it clear? Thank you, Devashri. Yeah, Manvik, go ahead. What happened? Samriddhi, coming to you.
Ma'am, sometime you are like in between of the class very funny. The
Thank you.
last joke you said in the starting, if you had made it a bit more funny, I would have laughed in front of the
You
class.
can laugh. The entire purpose of me taking my math class is that I don't want maths to be boring. Thank you for the compliment. Say, Anvita.
Ma'am, could you please check if my answers are correct?
Anvita, I'm doing it no on the screen. You check it
Oh,
no.
okay. Sorry, ma'am. I'll check. I'll check. Sorry.
Thank you. All right. Next, we will move to Sanika. Sanika, natural number does not have a predecessor. Which natural number is that?
Ma'am, 1.
Of course. So remember, everyone, every number's first number will not have a predecessor. So if it's natural number, it's 1, which will not have a predecessor. If it's whole number, it's 0, which will not have a predecessor. So here the answer is 1. Yes, I have a hand raised, but no similar people talking again and again. Hanish, say.
Ma'am, in the question 4, isn't it infinite?
Exactly. That's the point. That's the problem. In fact, that was the next statement I was going to say. That for integers, it's a problem because integers is negative infinity. And negative infinity does not have a predecessor. Sounds very weird because there's no limit to that only. Infinity means that it goes on and on and on, even in the negative scale. Okay. Anvita, your hand is still raised. You have a doubt? Or you forgot to unraise? Okay, forgot to unraise. Great. Yes, Aditi?
Ma'am, a fraction does not have a predecessor, right?
We are not concluding that at all. Yeah, it will not have though. Okay. Okay, next we will move to Ibrahim. Ibrahim, I haven't heard from you now. So I'll come to you and the one who is raising hand, I'll just come back. Give me 1 minute. Yes, Ibrahim, what's the answer for the fifth one?
Ma'am, false.
False. And why is that?
Ma'am, because one does not have its predecessor. That's the
First
reason.
number does not
You
have.
will
Yeah.
get the fourth question itself. The clue
One is not, one has a predecessor in whole numbers, that is 0. 0 does not have one. Right, Janvi? Janvi?
Yes, ma'am.
This is a test, Janvi. When I call, you should quickly unmute. If you don't unmute, then I'll start making stories of what all things is Janvi doing in the class without watching the class. Okay, fine. So everyone is okay with successor, predecessor? We are now moving to 5 quick questions. And the interesting thing is 5 questions, 2.5 minutes. So Alexa, set a timer of 2.5 minutes.
2 minutes and 30 seconds, starting now.
Everyone will answer all the questions together in one message, okay? So put a space or put a enter, whatever you feel, comma, and write all the 5 answers together in one message and send it together. Okay, done? All together, please. Mishika Ibrahim, put a comma and write all of them together, not one by one.
Ma'am, can I write T for true and F for false?
That works. Yes. Hmm. Janvi is the first one to give me all the answers together in one message. Good girl. Okay, Janvi, very nice. Then Mishika is the second one. Parth Sharma is the third one. Aradhya is the fourth one. I'll only give rankings till 10. Jia and Aradhya Manoharan. Okay, fourth. Jia fifth. Samriddhi sixth. Samriddhi Srivastav. Aditi seventh. And wait. Manvik 8, Arnav 9, Ibrahim not one by one, please. And Parth Padwal 10th. Tanisha 11th, Shivani 12th, Shravani 13th, Advika 14th, Aradhya 15th, Shrihan 16th. And done. I am not saying any ranks more than that. Okay, fine. Nanika 17th. Sanika 18th. Done. Okay, that's last, huh? No more than this. And I'm just waiting for the timer to end. It will end. Then I'll start solving the question. And this will be the last thing, guys, because I have to also show you how you will access your, what do you call, homework. Okay. So that has to be importantly done. But the homework is not mandatory for today's class. 2 reasons. Number 1, it's the first class. So ma'am is okay with it. Number 2 is because it's the first class. Alexa, stop. People stop. No more messages. Hanifa, I'll take this as your last message. Sanya, okay, fine. Last message. No messages after Sanya will be accepted. So I have to
Miss-
also show you. Oh, no speaking without raising hand. Okay, look. So I'll also show you. So I'm okay if you don't do the homework also. The reason for that is it's the first class, number 1. And number 2, you people might be new to Olympiad Success Platform. So if you have got access, not got access, I'm not sure. So that's why I will allow. But from the second class onwards, I will not. Say Samriddhi.
Miss, I forgot to mention the fifth answer, so I mentioned it now.
It's okay. Now, predecessor of a 2-digit number is also a 2-digit number. I'll ask someone this question, okay, whom I have not heard. Let's see. Yash, give me an example to prove it false.
Which one? The
Number
number one?
Mm-hmm.
The possessor of the 2-digit number is always a 2-digit number. It's
Yes,
yeah,
you have
true.
5 seconds. This is not true. Okay, we'll go to the first hand raised, Rehanshi. No problem, Yash, I'll come back to you.
Ma'am, it's not true because 10's predecessor is 9 and 9 is a 1-digit number.
Exactly, that's a change. So that's the reason why the first one is false. Yash, clear? Thank you, Rehanshi. Manvik, I have heard you a lot of times. People, unraise your hand, we'll play a game. I'll do, when I say 1, you'll have to raise your hand. Okay? So I'll go in a reverse order and I can go in any order. When I say a 1, you will have to raise your hand. If I have not said a 1 and you raise your hand, you get disqualified from that question. Okay? So, of the same question's answer, say Shriyan, what happened?
Ma'am, like only one or any number containing one?
1. So I will say various numbers. You have to hear me carefully that when I say 1, say Tanisha. And not now. Don't do demo right now. Wait. So 3, 2, 7. Shivani Janvi out. Rehanshi also out. Tanisha out. Okay. 10, 9, 8, 1. Okay. The first hand raised is Sanya. Quite good internet, I will say. Number 2. Go
Um,
ahead.
should I read it, ma'am?
Yeah, no, you can directly tell me the answer. The smallest 4-digit number is a successor of the largest 3-digit number. Is it true or false?
True.
Give me the example quickly.
The smallest 4-digit number is 1000,
Mm-hmm.
and the largest 3-digit number is 999.
99. Thank you, Sanya. Thank you so much. All hands down. We'll do it again. And yeah, Sanya, you can skip the participation. Even if you participate, it's not a problem. If you're the first one to raise hand, we'll skip you. Okay, all hands down. All hands down. Bhumik, hands down. Yeah, okay. So again, at the count, you have to concentrate on this number, okay? 99, 98, 97, 96, 95, 94, 93, 92, 91, 90. That was 91. That was 91. 90, 89, 88, 1. Okay, this time it's Parth Padwal. Let's go with Parth. Parth number 3.
Ma'am, false.
Okay, why?
Ma'am, 1 is not whole number.
Hey, 1 is a whole number.
Yes, but has
It
Um,
has a predecessor. What is the predecessor? Say that.
ma'am, 0.
Hmm. Hands down, hands down, hands down, hands down. Next round, next round, next round. Hands down, hands down, hands down, everyone. Lower your hand. Anvita, Aradhya, lower. Lower, lower. Okay, I'll have to lower Anvita's hand. Okay, fine. 7, 6, 11, 21, 72, 89, 16, 1. Manvik raised hand first. Go ahead, Manvik. Number 4.
Ma'am, the natural number 1 has no predecessor. This is
Predecessor. It is
true.
very good because natural numbers start with a 1. Thanks, Manvik. All hands down, all hands down. Quickly, quickly, quickly. Yes.
Ma'am, excuse me.
Go ahead, Anvita.
Ma'am, for the third one, how could it be false? Because 0 has no value.
This is 1, ma'am. Whole numbers start with a 0, no? So that's why it's a predecessor. It doesn't depend upon its value, Anvita. It depends upon the numbers we start with.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay? Last one. Okay, last one, everyone. Hey, what, Manvik? What? That's pre-booking. That's not allowed. You have a doubt, Manvik? No?
No, ma'am, you said 1 twice, so I raised my hand. It's a game of 1.
Oh, no, not that way. Come on. Okay, so we'll start. 7,000, 6,999, 6,998, 6,909. What is this? You guys are disqualified. Okay.
No, it was a by mistake.
6,997, 6,996, 1. Oh, Naman already got a chance, didn't you? No. Okay, so Naman, let's go. Number 5. Don't worry, Aditi. We have 50 classes. We'll get a lot of chance. Say Naman.
Ma'am, it is true.
That's true. And why? It ends at
Ma'am, infinity.
very good. Thank you. Okay, everyone. So with this, we will end our class today, not directly. I mean, ending the topic today. Okay. But you all have to pay attention to this part of my screen now. How and where will you do the homework? Oh my God, hands down, hands down, hands down. And don't worry, if you didn't get a chance to speak today, what does that matter? No, really not. Because we have so many sessions together. 45, right? So we have a lot of chance to speak. And don't worry, ma'am, will remember. Like a lot of you have not spoken today. So I'll definitely irritate you people by asking you questions one after the other, one after the other. You'll be like, ma'am, please leave me alone. So I'll first show you from the logging in part that how are you supposed to log in. Let me share my screen. Manvik, no questions now. So look at this, guys. This is olympiadsuccess.com. They have already given you this in your WhatsApp groups if you are in part of it. Okay. So here is the place where you will get your homework. So in user email ID, you will have to add your correct email ID. My email ID is a teacher ID, so that is not same as yours. But you guys will have separate email IDs. Okay. So this is your email ID. You will have to add in your password here. You can take help of your parents here. Sign in. Once you sign in, you have to come here. Look at this part. Live classes. Okay. Click on live classes and then they will ask you which subject homework do you want to do. Samriddhi and Naman, I'll come to you. You have to select Mathematics Olympiad. Okay. If this is not coming, listen carefully, everyone. If this is not coming in your drop down, then where are you supposed to click? You're supposed to click on this line, book my batch. There you have to again give your email ID and click on submit. Then they will show you the batch to select. That is batch 1 of grade 5 maths, and just click on select. So if you select it and again log in, you will be able to see the Mathematics Olympiad thing. Don't worry, they will help you on phone call also if you don't get it. And I will also be there, so I can also help you. Then come to topic. This is the first chapter we did, number sense. The number sense has 2 materials added here. Okay, everyone. This is the reading material, so you can read it. Like if you want to read the things, what will be done in the class, what is the meaning of it. See, similar type of questions are here in this also. That's why you remember I told you that don't worry, ma'am will be there. You don't have to write the questions, just answer them because the questions are there in the reading material. We have done it till here, everyone. Face value and place value is what we will do in the next class. So if you have time, you can also read this and come. It will be easier. Face value, place value, and rounding up of numbers will be done in the next class. Okay. But this is the place where you get your homework. Practice questions. Click here to download. It will open up. You can also download or print it. Okay. And here are your questions. Some of the questions we have not done in the class, like rounding numbers, face values. So if you already know it, you can try it. But if you don't know it, you can skip it because we have not completed it in the class. Okay, we'll complete it in the next class. And these are all the questions you have to do. 12 only 12, hardly 20 minutes of your time. Okay, so but all of them are not done in the class. So do all the questions which you can do. If you want to check your answers, then you can ask your parents or check it yourself also over here. This is the answer key. I'll not show you the answer key. Okay, so after you complete the set, you can see the answer key, or I would rather say that wait till Friday, guys. Let us complete set 1 fully. Then you can do this as your homework. Okay, say Arnab. Now ask me your questions, everyone, if you have any.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
and when we go to practice questions,
Hmm.
which set we have to select?
Set 1 is for like today's class, and there are few topics which we are yet to do in the next class also, like face value and rounding numbers. Okay.
In set 2?
In set 2, we will do it in the next class. It will be more topics of number system only.
And our batch is number 1?
No, this is not related to batches. Set 1, set 2, both is a part of your homework only. This will be done in today and Friday's class, and set 2 will be done in probably the next class, Monday. All of this is your homework only. Your batch only. Okay. Fine, everyone. Or any doubts? Anyone, any more doubts? You can raise your hand and ask me. Raise your hand by using the raise hand button. Don't raise your hand in video. Say, Sanya.
Ma'am, does different batches have different questions? Like grade 5 different?
No. Every batch gets the same question, Sanya. Okay.
Ma'am, if I want to log in through this dashboard, can I log in? I mean, the online class.
You must have when you made the payment, ma'am, you must have given an email ID, right? The
So I
same
need
email ID.
to.
Yeah, same email ID will be activated, and everyone has the same password in the beginning, Achievers. So
Okay, I need to go to my email ID. Then there I have to click my link.
no, ma'am. You just while logging in, like I use the email ID of demo user 5, right? You can use your email ID there and put the password. So generally everyone's password is achievers in the beginning, and then you can change
I
it.
know, but when I'm trying to log in through laptop, I'm not able to do it, ma'am.
Oh, so like you're not able to get in only. They are saying that wrong email ID password.
No. See, if I want to log in through live classes, can I log in through here, like the link?
Yeah. Just go to Olympiad Success and do it. I'll show you 1 second. So I also went to Olympiad Success directly and I did it. Like if I log out and just directly go to olympiadsuccess.com like this. This is the place where you have to put in your registered email ID.
Okay.
And then the password. So whatever password they have given, if it's achievers only, you have to put it there.
No. Okay.
If you still don't get inside, like if it's not
See,
letting
for
you
me, I
log in.
want to attend your live class through this dashboard, ma'am.
Oh, no, that's not possible, ma'am. My live classes, see, the link which they have shared today, right? If you want, I can share it again in the chat box also. This link is a constant link. So this will not change until and unless something else is any emergency or any other class meeting has to
So
be
I
done.
cannot join through laptop then, only phone I can do.
No, you can join through laptop. In the laptop, you just need a Zoom installed. It will be better if she has a Zoom. Even if you don't have a Zoom, you can join, but I would prefer you downloading Zoom in your laptop. This is the meeting ID, ma'am. I've shared it. So every single class, this meeting ID will remain the same. No changes.
Okay, ma'am. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Say
Thank
Janvi.
you.
Ma'am, how can we look at the recording session of
Yeah, that is something Olympiad Success will share with you on WhatsApp, Janvi. There will be a YouTube link they will send and you will have to see the recordings there. Okay, everyone can see it there. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
fine then everyone. Bye-bye for today. Let's meet on Friday.
Bye.
Yeah, Advika.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye,
Bye,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Change your time
Bye,
day
ma'am.
kind of
Thanks.
Wednesday too over here.
Monday, Wednesday and Friday. 3 days.
What if I come back?
Okay, guys,
Thank you, ma'am.
1 second. Advika wants to say something. Say, Advika.
Ma'am, I don't have a doubt, but I'm very glad to be in your class. And whenever I heard that, whenever I heard the news from my mother that Advocate, you want to join Priyasha ma'am's Olympiad and maths class, I went like, yes, ma'am, I want to join.
That's so sweet of
Ma'am,
you,
I'm so
Advika. I
happy
love
to be
you.
in your class.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Welcome,
That's so
ma'am.
sweet. Yeah, Mishika, say thank you, Advika.
Ma'am.
Louder.
The last question of the day, ma'am.
How was the class? Okay, yeah. How was the class? The people who have remained here, tell me. Thumbs up. Hey, that's so boring, Sanya. Give some better emojis at least. Okay, say Sanya, quickly. I need to go.
If AI companion mean it.
Oh no, we don't need that in our class. Otherwise, half of the jokes which I crack in the class will be a part of the AI companion also. Yeah, Radhya, say.
I have to go to do my lunch, so may I leave?
Yeah, sure. Even I have to go for that. Bye. Not to lunch, of course, dinner. But bye. Take care, everyone.
Bye.
See you on
Bye, ma'am.
Friday. Bye.